Okay, this video is going to go over the week 3, module 6, June 24th through the 27th. So pretty straightforward. We're going to read chapter 10, watch the lecture videos on chapter 10, take the chapter 10 quiz, which is below by Sunday, June 27th, before 11:30 p.m. Take the Edpuzzle video quiz on Citizen Kane by Sunday, June 27th. Chapter 11, we'll read that, watch the lecture videos for chapter 11, take the chapter 11 quiz, which will be below, and then complete the motivational flyer design using canva.com below by Sunday. Watch the tutorial video that goes over the motivational flyer design, how to use Canva, just going over the project. It's going to be a helpful video for you, so I highly recommend watching that. And then keep working on project number 2, which is going to be due July 4th. And remember, that's 15% of your overall grade for this course, so definitely don't forget about that. So the PowerPoint, the chapter 10 lecture videos, there's 5 of them. So I actually probably go over most of the pieces in the chapter in all these videos, if not all of them, because there's 5 video lecture videos here. So, and then here's the quiz for chapter 10, the Edpuzzle video. You'll have to copy and paste this into your browser to access the Edpuzzle quiz. Here's the chapter 11 PowerPoint and lecture videos, plus the quiz, and then the motivational flyer design using Canva is right here. So, and then this is the video that kind of goes over this project. I read through it, I explain it to you, I go over Canva. I highly suggest watching this because it's just going to help you understand it and what you're needing to do for that motivational flyer design assignment. Okay, well that's it for module 6. See you next time.